Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin s to the power of 3, we can put about sin s squared multiplied by sin s. Next, we have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So about sin s squared, we put cosine s squared go to the right. So we have 1 minus cosine s squared. So we put 1 minus cosine s squared go in here. Next, we apply about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, we know that number 1, that's about 1 square. So this is about a, this is about b. So this one we have 1 minus cosine s, and we have 1 plus cosine s. So 1 minus cosine s divided by 1 minus cosine s. So we have 1 plus cosine s sin s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus cosine s du. That means we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have negative sin s ds. Because we don't have the negative in here, so we put the negative go to the left. So we have negative du equals to sin s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 in here. You got about cosine of 0, you have number 1. 1 plus 1, we have 2. So u equals to number 2. When s equals to b over 2, so we put b over 2 go in here, and you got 0. And we have u equals to number 1. Number 0 we change for number 2. And this one we change for number 1. This one we change for u. Sin s ds we change for negative du. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and we put the bounds from number 2 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. That is about 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.